Hello everyone, I'm Joel. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how to make brown sugar boba milk tea. Sieve the brown sugar powder. Weigh out 150 grams of sifted brown sugar powder. And add it to a bowl with 600 grams of tapioca flour. Mix well. Divide the mixed powder into portions of 100 grams, 400 grams, and 250 grams. I'll make the tapioca pearls in 3 stages, starting with the base using 100 grams of the mixed powder. Add 100 grams of the mixed powder and 40 grams of drinking water to the bowl. And mix it well. Stir the mixture with 5 fingers in one direction to form granules. Crush any oversized granules and continue stirring. In the second stage, I'll use a 3-mesh sieve to make the granules about 8 mm in diameter. 3-mesh means there are 3 holes within a 1-inch length. Pass the granules through the sieve. And crush any oversized or not spherical enough ones that remains on the sieve. Continue adding powder and stirring. If there is still excess powder at the bottom of the bowl after stirring, spread a little water. If there is no excess powder, add a bit more powder. When the granules are large enough, sieve them and set them aside. Repeat the process of adding powder, spraying water, and sieving until the 400 grams portion of the mixed powder is used up. Crush the remaining small granules from the sieve and use them as powder. In the final stage, since the larger granules tend to break apart when stirred, I'll switch to tossing them to make them bigger. Repeat the process of adding powder and spraying water until the remaining 250 grams portion of the mixed powder is used up. Finally, sieve the completed tapioca pearls to remove small granules and excess powder. Prepare a pot with about 3 liters of boiling water. Stir the water to create a whirlpool. And add 200 grams of tapioca pearls. Continue stirring until all the pearls float to the surface. Cover the pot with a lid, leaving a small gap, and simmer on medium heat for 30 minutes. Afterward, give it a gentle stir. The cooked pearls should look like this. Cover the pot again, turn off the heat, and let it sit for 1 hour. Remove the lid and give it a gentle stir again. Drain the tapioca pearls. And rinse them with drinking water. Add 40 grams of brown sugar and mix well. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Bring 400 grams of drinking water to a boil. Add 8 grams of black tea leaves. Reduce the heat to low and continue stirring. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Strain out the tea leaves. And add 100 grams of milk. Stir until well combined. That's how I make my brown sugar boba tea. If you like it, you can keep following Mr. Draw. Any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. You can also share your creations on Instagram and tag me at Mr. Draw SRS. See you next time. Ciao.